What do you have at daycare, Ryder?
Munifier.
A what?
Munifier.
It's Munifier, oh.
What is that?
It sucks water.
It sucks water? How come?
Because it's a munifier. Because it has air. That's why.
Is it something that it sucks water, you say? It's not blowing out?
Show me what it does with your hands.
What does it do? What does it do with the air? Because you just told me and I didn't understand.
What is it called again?
Munifier.
A what? Louder.
Munifier.
Oh. And what does it do?
Munifier.
Of course, Xander wants to put it as 2 cents.
Still getting dressed there. 12:42 now.
Hey, it's Christmas Eve. What can I say?
Christmas Eve, that's tomorrow.
It's Christmas Eve.
Yeah, pre-Christmas Eve.
Okay, tell me one more time. What is it?
Munifier.
And what does it do?
That's water.
Why?
Because air.
Oh, okay.
What did you do? Show it the air, so? Well, you told me. I didn't understand.
Because the fan inside it goes around,
Yeah.
and that makes air, then it affects water.
Did you tell me that, though?
But what is up with that, what you did with your hand? I didn't...
He just said that it's cute.
You said it this way, the fan goes, and then it sucks air? Huh. It's pretty interesting. I didn't know you knew that. And what's a dehumidifier then? You know what that is? It does the opposite way. So what it does is, it blows out air. Air. When air with water in it.
That's water.
Yeah, I can. Switch the button.
Look what I found in the carpet.
Ooh, that's a cannonball.
Hey, Ryder. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Humidifier.
Bye-bye, Munifier. Oh.